Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: the Internet's Phonebook, how DNS makes sense of crazy websites. Hey network ninjas! Ever typed in a website like networkacademyfun.com and bam, you're there? But how does your computer magically know where there is? Today, we're diving into the secret sauce that makes the internet actually work for humans. DNS. Get ready to unravel the mystery of the internet's ultimate address book. Imagine if every time you wanted to call your friend, you had to remember their 12-digit phone number instead of just Mom or Alex. Yikes. Computers are kinda like that, they love numbers. Specifically IP addresses. Like 192.168.1.1 or 2001 to 0db8. But we humans? We're more into memorable names like google.com or catpictures.net. There's a huge disconnect here. This is where DNS, or the asterisk domain name system, swoops in like a superhero. Think of DNS as the internet's giant, global phonebook. You want to go to networkacademyfun.com DNS says, gotcha, that's at IP address XYZW It translates those easy to remember website names into the numerical IP addresses that computers need to find each other. Pretty neat, huh? So, you type networkacademyfun.com into your browser. Your computer doesn't know the IP yet. It sends a little, hey, who's got the IP for networkacademyfun.com message to a DNS server. That server, or a chain of them, then goes on a lightning-fast quest, finds the correct IP address, and sends it back to your computer. Your computer then uses that IP to connect directly to the website. All this happens in milliseconds. It's not just one giant phonebook. DNS is a whole network of specialized servers. You've got your asterisk recursive resolver, your local helpful assistant, root servers, the grandmasters of where to start looking, TLD, top-level domain servers, for .com, .org, .net, and finally, the asterisk authoritative name servers, the website's asterisk official source of truth. They all work together like a super efficient team. Let's trace it. 1. You ask your local DNS resolver for networkacademyfun.com. 2. Your resolver asks a asterisk root server, where do I find .com stuff? 3. The root says, go ask the .com TLD servers. 4. Your resolver asks the asterisk .com TLD server, where do I find Network Academy Fun? 5. The TLD says, go ask networkacademyfun.com s asterisk authoritative name servers. 6. Your resolver asks the authoritative server, what's the IP for networkacademyfun.com? 7. The authoritative server finally gives the IP. 8. Your resolver gives the IP back to your computer. Phew, that's a lot of talking. But it happens fast. Without DNS, surfing the web would be a nightmare of numbers. It makes the internet user-friendly, fast, and reliable. It's also critical for things like email, security, and making sure you always land on the right website. It's truly one of the unsung heroes of the entire internet infrastructure. Congrats! You've just uncovered the magic behind how DNS makes sense of the crazy wild web. You now know why you don't need to memorize a gazillion IP addresses. Next time you type a website name, give a little nod to DNS. What other internet mysteries do you want to unravel? Let me know in the comments. Keep learning, keep exploring, and stay awesome, network ninjas. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.